Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M14. In this video I'll show you how to connect pendrive to your smartphone. In the beginning, make sure that your pendrive has a USB-C stick, then simply plug it to charging port in your smartphone. Now scroll down and press USB storage. Now you can manage the storage of your pendrive. And that's basically it. If you want to find it in the other way, go to Files app and it will be visible on the bottom of Browse section. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.